Mexican food, honestly, it's soul food. There's just something about the boldness, the spice, the brightness, the life that always hits differently. Today, I'm making a creamy, zesty jalapeno avocado crema. It's smooth, fiery, and tastes like a hug from every taco stand I've ever stumbled across. You know that feeling when food just takes you somewhere? All you need is one chopped ripe avocado, one jalapeno, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, and blend it all together into a smooth mix. Add in salt and pepper to taste, and it's ready to serve. Every trip to Mexico reminds me, fresh ingredients are the heartbeat of great food. Chop up some shallots, cherry tomatoes, and soak them in lemon juice with fresh mint leaves. Prepping these vibrant ingredients makes you appreciate food so much more. The crunch, the colors, they bring life to these loaded nachos. It's a small reminder, whatever you're making, pour a little bit of real into it. Best part? Layering. Crunchy chips, shredded cheese, combination of shallots and cherry tomatoes soaked in lemon juice and mint, baked to perfection in the oven. The house starts smelling like fresh baked chips. Top it with generous scoops of spicy avocado crema and enjoy. Cooking in your kitchen these days? Drop it in the comments. Let's keep the flavor and the love rolling. See you in the next video. Ciao!